morning students. In Zeeman effect, the last topic is the transition from weak to strong magnetic field. So again I am repeating, in the external magnetic field, in a weak magnetic field, J vector will precede around the external magnetic field, whereas in a strong magnetic field, L vector will precede around the external magnetic field. This is the interaction of atom with a weak magnetic field and strong magnetic field. Then what is the transition? So during this transition period, that is from weak to strong magnetic field, this transition is called as partial band. So during this transition, what happens is this J vector is not L bar plus S bar. By increasing the magnetic field, the coupling between L bar and S bar will break up. That is, this L bar as well as S bar will revolve around the external magnetic field. So this is the main important phenomenon, that from the weak magnetic field transition to strong magnetic field. So in this case we will designate with the quantum number Mj. Mj means the component of J. We have taken the transition lines according to the selection rules of Mj. Whereas in strong magnetic field we will take the value of Ml. So but during this transition we need to consider both the magnetic quantum numbers such as Ml and Ms. Right. Let us consider the example of D1, D2 lines of sodium. So what are D1, D2 lines? 2p3 by 2 to 2p3 by 2, 2p1 by 2 and 2s1 by 2 transition. So there is only two transitions. These two lines are called D1, D2. So in this diagram we will represent how this weak to strong transition can be occurred for this D1, D2 lines. So consider 2p3 by 2 state, next 2p1 by 2 state, next 2s1 by 2 state. In a weak field we should consider the quantum number Mj. During the transition we need to take the values of Ml and Ms. So for this state 2p3 by 2, the possible values of Mj are plus 3 by 2, plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. There is no zero values. Next, for 2p1 by 2 state, the possible Ml values are plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. For 2s1 by 2 state, the possible values are plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So for this state, since it is a p state, L value is equal to 1 and J value is equal to 3 by 2. S value is equal to, always we should take it as 1 by 2. So for L is equal to 1, the possible L values are 1, 0, minus 1. And here it is also p state. The possible values are 1, 0, minus 1. These two are the same states. 2p1 by 2, 2p3 by 2 are the same states but different J value. So we should repeat this 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1 accordingly. For these three states, the possible Ms values are plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2. For these two states, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So for this, the possible Mj values are 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. L value is 0. So the possible values are only 0, 0 with plus half and minus half. Simply 2s half state is split up into two energy levels, that is plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and 2p1 by 2 state is split up into two energy states, that is plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, Next 2p 3 by 2 state is split up into 4 states, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. This is in the presence of weak magnetic field. So during this transition from weak to magnetic field, so we will consider the values of Mn and these are the positive values of participants. So this is in presence of strong magnet. So this is the transition from weak magnetic field to strong magnetic field. So which is a short answer question in Zeeman effect.